All right, guys, welcome back to the Oracle Disciples Leverage Trading Channel. It is a little bit after 12 on Thursday, and we are watching some institutional selling, and we are playing right along, and we are now at plus 72, 74, 76%. You're seeing it live right now, right here, live trading on the BitSeven trading platform. We are not talking about technical analysis today, folks. We are simply playing the game. Okay, we know October is here. We know. Now, we know this has got to be some major institutional selling in the sense that the Dow really is still above 100 points. We're not seeing the Dow go south today. This is solely in crypto today going on right now, especially in Bitcoin. All right. The other thing you want to take a look at is you want to make sure right now, we don't have it on this video, but we also have a down, okay, a down at 62 on Ethereum, and we'll watch that played out, okay, in another video, but we know that that's going to be tracking with Bitcoin here, okay, 76%, 77, 78, here we go, continuing to go down. The buyers are not in yet. There is no sign of any indication that the buyers want to come in. This is being dumped, okay, and you can see we're down from 10,900 down to 10,600. We very well may get to 10,500 here in the next few minutes. We are at 78%. Okay, obviously you could take profits here. Obviously, okay. However, I'm not, because I haven't seen any desire here on the bulls to come back in here. So why not let it run? Okay, let it run. If we get caught back here in a whiplash to the back at some point in one big huge green candle run, so be it. But right now we're at 70%. Okay, we're seeing some buying coming in here. We're watching this candle kind of compress a little bit, but we're yet to see the green candle, right? And so we're letting this thing continue to run, okay, until the bulls have the will to protect this level. And they did not protect the 10,700 level at all in the last 30 minutes, at all. We can follow this back to where this started, and it's all red, okay, till right here. 40 minutes ago, boom, 877, okay, all the way down. 651 now. We're at 75%. You see it? See that moving out? No green candle yet, guys. So we're watching this. Now it's back to 77, 78, okay? Sellers are still selling this thing. They are still selling Bitcoin down, okay? Whether news breaking, whether or not, it's not really tied to the S&P at the moment or the Dow necessarily. They are still in the green. So this isn't like last Monday where we saw a 500-600 point drop in the Dow and the crypto markets were affected. This appears to be Bitcoin, and right now at least. But like we said last night in previous videos, going into October, you wanted to have a down play daily, because it's October in an election year, and we always know what happens in October to the stock markets. And right now, Bitcoin is, whether we like it or not, tied with a correlation to the S&P 500 and the Dow. It just is. If you mirror the maps of Bitcoin with the S&P 500, you'll see very little deviation between the two right now. Okay? And so you have to understand that knowing what's happening in that market is going to impact this market, 80% of the time in this environment now. And it's October. So the stock market right now, especially after the presidential debate, it is uncertain. And what's going to happen? Depending on what political side side of the fence you're on, I don't particularly care, because I look to play the market. And uncertainty creates this volatility. And this is where we've captured this volatility. So we got the green candle here. So we're going to look and see what's going to happen. Is this going to compress and go right back to red? Of the buyers finally, the bulls finally come into the side. We're at 68, 67. Let's see. Now let's play it out. Right at 70%. Now you can, this isn't necessarily a strong green at the moment. So let's see if the bears decide to take her back out again. I mean, there's no reason at 65%. Okay. Yeah, we could have gotten out at 75%. Okay. But let's see here. Are we going to get this spike up? Or are we going to go lower? And that's what we want to see. I'm going to wait for a green candle set here to help me determine, okay, is the direction going to shift up or not? All right, like and subscribe to the channel. Please join our Discord so you can get up to date on all this information. Have a great afternoon.